So, we've made it to the Jackson family home. And this is it here. This is called Havenhurst. It's very heavy security on here. There's cameras and everything on. And there's somebody going to actually go in there now. And the gate has started to open, so we'll have a look up the driveway there as this car goes in. So look at that, that's pretty amazing. And there we go, we got a good look in, and you can see right up there is the and the gate is shut just like that. So what timing that was pretty perfect really. So like I say, family home of Michael Jackson. Must be worth an absolute fortune. Really, really good. So here we go, we're at the Holy Terrace, and this is the gravesite of Michael Jackson, and we'll just go check out now. I think there is still some flowers of his around here, so let's go have a look for you. So yeah, this is going to be pretty amazing here for you. So it was Michael Jackson's birthday. He would have been 66. So let's have a look what we've got here. So happy birthday, Michael. And look at all these beautiful flowers here. There's still a lot of really, really fresh ones there. So his birthday's just been celebrated. I would imagine when it was celebrated here, it would have been absolutely packed in this area. So even there, look, to MJ with From Russia with Love. Happy birthday balloons. Pictures of Michael. And you can't believe he would have been 66. So glad we've come here and been able to show you this today. This is just absolutely remarkable. So again, there's some absolutely tremendous flowers again here. So like I say, when it was his birthday, it must have been absolutely packed here. It's amazing. So yeah, and what a absolutely beautiful place he is buried as well. So we're just going to walk around now to where he's actually buried. That's the front entrance where everybody would have gone in, but his tomb is just round the corner here. So again, I'm going to keep the camera running here so you can see where we do need to go. So we need to just go down here, round, and through the archway, which we're now going to do. So the Holy Terrace here, it's a massive building, and this, like I say, is in Forest Lawn in Glendale. So round we go, and under this arch, and then as we go under the arch we need to go right, so we're going back then to the similar sort of position where we've just been taking all them films for you. And just round the corner here, as we keep going, is where Michael Jackson's actually buried. So I hope this has been a useful video for you today. It is absolutely magnificent here, and as we come round here where Daryl is, he's actually there. So let's go and just check it out for you. We're looking there at the stained windows, and there's one at the bottom, one at the top, and just inside Michael Jackson is actually entombed in a great big casket there. Absolutely amazing. So there you go, you now know where Michael Jackson is here in Forest Lawns. So like I say, when it was his birthday, it must have been absolutely packed here. It's amazing. Yeah, and what a absolutely beautiful place he is buried as well. So we're just going to walk around now to where he's actually buried. That's the front entrance where everybody would have gone in, but he's actually, his tomb is just round the corner here. So again, I'm going to keep the camera running here so you can see where we do need to go. So we need to just go down here, round, and through the archway, which we're now going to do. So the only terrace here, it's a massive building, and this, like I say, is in Forest Lawn in Glendale. So round we go, and under this arch, and then as we go under the arch we need to go right, so we're going back then to the similar sort of position where we've just been taking all them films for you. And just round the corner here, as we keep going, is where Michael Jackson's actually buried. So I hope this has been a useful video for you today. It is absolutely magnificent here, and as we come round here where Daryl is, he's actually there. So let's go and just check it out for you. We're looking there at the stained windows, and there's one at the bottom, one at the top, and just inside Michael Jackson is actually entombed in a great big casket there. Absolutely amazing. So there you go, you now know where Michael Jackson is here in Forest Lawns. So again, right below his tomb, people have left even more flowers in respect of him. So let's just have a look at them. And like I say, he's actually entombed there where we're looking now, in a casket inside. Wonderful. And all this is his beautiful surroundings. And again, there's the holy terrace. So I hope this video has been interesting for you. So you do know now, if you follow that, exactly how to get to the Michael Jackson grave. What I'll do now, we'll walk back round to the front and we'll get back in the car, and I'll just show you a bit more video as we leave Forest Lawn. Well, let's just have another look here before we do go of the tomb site. Incredible. Just looking in here, this is another entrance to where you can actually get to where Michael Jackson is entombed. So that's just looking through a locked door here. Nobody can get in. I suppose it's only like immediate family who can get into this holy terrace. What you have to obviously do there is buzz the intercom. They do keep it locked, as I've just said. So you'd have to buzz that intercom, and you would have to say who you were, and obviously then they'd let you in.
Oh, I'm on Facebook Live right now.
Oh, you're on
Yeah,
live
that's
now?
okay. That's all right.
Yeah. Today.
Oh, really? Oh, tell him I said hi. He'll know where I'm at.
Yeah.
Good seeing you guys. Yeah, you guys. So next year there's an 8-part. Where were you guys from?
We're from England.
Oh, yeah. You want to talk? We're online.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's talk. Oh, no, we got. We've got some friends of German and Venice are in the house from England.
We are all the way. I'm Darryl and Glynn.
I'm Darryl, I'm Glynn, yeah. We know.
How you guys doing? Good.
We're really good. So the German and Venice actually influenced us to do YouTube.
Sure.
And we always come and pay our respects to Michael, and the flowers
Yeah.
have been.
They're amazing, aren't they?
June and August. So it should look like that all the time, but
Yeah.
June 25th and August 29th especially.
It always looks like that.
It's always like that.
Yeah,
When
yeah.
we come last time, about a week after, all the flowers were gone, but it's good to see.
They only, about a 7-day. You see how the sun.
It
Yes.
just bakes down on them
There's
and
no
shrivels them up.
shade,
Yeah,
nothing.
yeah.
And these are the ones. If you order through Forest Lawn, they bring those inside.
Do they?
If you order anywhere else, they stay outside,
Yeah.
and then usually 7 to 10 days at the most, depending on it's been sun and hot for the past week, so.
Yeah.
They're kind of, but yeah.
So this
And then
is
we have our little place in the back. Did you see
Yeah, I've just been round there and now just had a look. Amazing.
it used to be secret, but now we do it online, but it's kind of good, because that's like the real fans go back there, so it's.
Yeah, so that's really good there.
That's the closest you can get. That's where he's literally right behind those.
Yeah, because locked doors, isn't it? You can only, yeah. You can only get in if you're family.
Yeah, or if you have a crypt in there.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
It's a beautiful place.
Yeah.
And,
Did you get to see Elizabeth Taylor's inside here?
yeah.
And there, they might not let you film though.
No.
Again, be careful. And then Joseph's up the hill, and Sammy Davis Jr., Walt Disney, a bunch of.
They're all up there.
Yeah, you can get a map at the guard shop when you walk in if you want to,
Yeah.
go around. Some of the places are locked; you can't get in.
Yeah.
Well,
Some places you can.
we're on camera. Yeah.
Yeah.
Some places you can't.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So how many are watching this from around the world?
Well, we got 42 right now. Usually most people are working, so by the time they post it and share it, then.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what's this actually on? Is this on?
This is on Facebook Live.
Facebook Live,
my
is it?
page, and
Yeah.
I'll transfer it to YouTube Live if we don't get blocked. Like, I always play music. I try not, the channel isn't monetized, so I can play Michael's music, but if you play too much, then the video gets blocked, so there's that fine line between.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I usually transfer this over to the YouTube page, but.
Yeah, we can't play music because obviously we're monetized.
Right.
Yeah.
It seems.
Yeah.
I mean, I get it, but I'd rather hear his.
It's proper music. Yeah.
Especially when we're here, but
Yeah. Yeah.
I'll
Yeah.
give you our card.
Oh yeah, sure, okay.
That's
Yeah,
okay.
tell the GIV. What should be
Yeah.
my name? RIG. I'll be RIG. Ron and Glendale.
Yeah.
Tell GIV RIG. Said
We are.
Tuesday. Who are you guys?
So we are Jarrell Pritchard Videos.
Jarrell Pritchard
You can find us on
okay.
YouTube.
Okay.
We do a lot of videos here in Los Angeles.
You live here or you live?
We live in England.
Oh, you live in England.
Well, this is like our second home.
Sure.
We've been coming here since 1988.
Oh.
We love the place.
Yeah.
And we like to come to special places, you know, like that. So,
Really, really good.
Have you been to Las Vegas for his birthday show? Oh, good.
Yeah, so Las Vegas we did the...
Last year, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Last,
really good.
what was it?
Last August.
Wednesday. No.
Yeah.
We haven't been this year, we went last year.
Well, we went the year before.
Year before, yeah.
It was really good.
Yeah, we're having a big party if you come next year. Next year's birthday's on a Friday.
Is it?
So it's going to be, unless the Jacksons are in concert like they were this past Saturday and this past Friday. So I was here Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, then I had to drive to Vegas Wednesday, Thursday, then back here Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and I'm still here for now. But we're having a big party the Thursday before his birthday.
Wow.
At the Mandalay Bay. We're going to have a big room rented out, and we're going to have a whole bunch.
You're going to have a really, really good time.
Bunch of guests that I know of, don't know the names.
So you met Michael Jackson, yeah?
No.
You've never met him?
No.
Wow.
21 concerts, but never met him.
No.
So you were there at the concerts and...
The third row was the closest, yeah.
But you're keeping him alive now, aren't you?
Yeah, we try.
You should be very proud of what you're doing.
Well, look, you guys too. I mean, everybody.
Yeah.
With the technology now, it's easier, right?
We can do it.
Reach out to people that will never get the chance to come here. So, I don't take it for granted because I get messages from people from little countries that I have to go to Google Maps and I don't even know where it is. Like you see like a little village or something. There's a Michael Jackson fan.
Well, we've got one of our subscribers in England who's actually asked us to do this, hasn't he?
Yeah, to come and look at the
flowers.
flowers.
Yeah.
I've been trying to do that to coordinate like CNN does on like New Year's Eve, right? When the fireworks go, like they go from Australia to Japan to China. We should be able to. On like a Zoom or something, but it never seems to.
And what I have done as well, I've actually filmed as we're coming in, so I've shown people how to get here.
Yeah, that's good. That's a good thing.
So right from the gate to here, and just explained where we were going as we were doing that. Yeah. Very good.
We all play our little part, right? And you never know who we influence.
No.
German in Venice, I met him. He was sitting right there. Yeah, right there.
He was here, was he, German in Venice?
Yeah, show him. No. That post right there.
Yeah.
That's right where he was the first time. I don't think he had 1,000 subscribers. And we just talked. I was in the thing and he says, "Can I interview you?" Yes. Oh, you're a super Michael Jackson fan. And then we started doing flowers and we went to Neverland one Christmas. We put people's names on a Christmas tree at the gates.
Yeah.
And then ever since then, so now all those flowers back there are from our group. So it started with him, me and him just doing this on like a whim. I said, why don't we get a tree and go up there and put like one person from each country.
And that's what you did.
And then he, his YouTube channel just skyrocketed. I mean, so he's, tell him shout out. I'm going to be RIG, Ron and Glendale, GIV if you want. No, I'm just joking. All right, good to see you.
Lovely to meet you.
Thank you. Thanks.
Lovely to have seen you.
Okay. Thank you.
Goodbye, everyone who's
Shout out to the UK.
watching.
Tell them there's a UK party next year. Scott Bloomer. He'll be in contact with me. All right. Thank you, guys.
See you later. Thank you.
All right. So that was Crystal's birthday video.
So that was pretty good. We've got that interview with that guy there. Well worth just talking to him and listening. So we're getting back to the car now, and like I say, we'll just drive now to the entrance of Forest Lawns and we'll show you to the end.